Clouds are long, that paint the skies above, to try and paint a portrait of my love. Hello mga ka-Church, welcome back to yung YouTube channel for this video mga ka-Church. Alright, it's another week na rin yung mga ka-Church and isang karangalan, no, na makagawa ng isang reaction video mga ka-Church together with Matt Mondo na Dream Come True, no? Dream Come True. So, watch this.
There could never be a portrait of my love, for nobody could paint a dream.
Ang sarap ng boses ni Matt Mondo, no? Ka-Church to. Alright. There can never be a portrait of my love.
You will never see a portrait of my love.
Sabi mga ka-Church, no? Nakakamiss yung makinig ka ng music na ganito. All days, grabe. Nakaka-touch ng puso.
All those miracles I'll never see. Anyone who sees her soon forgets the Mona Lisa. It would take, I know.
Grabe yung boses ni Ruel kayo yung mga ka-Church. Talagang akala ko si Matt Mondo. Siya na pala.
A Michelangelo, and he would be the glow of dawn. That
Tingnan yung mga ka-Church, no? Yung mukha, no? Yung bibig ni Matt Mondo mga ka-Church. At saka yung boses ni Ruel ka rin yung mga ka-Church. Talagang nagko-conflict. So, parang si ano lang, yung kumanta, no? Parang magtama lang mga ka-Church.
to try and paint a portrait of my love.
Grabe mga ka-Church, no? Dream come true ito ni Ruel ka rin yung mga ka-Church. Sino naman hindi, di ba? Lalo na kung iniidolo mo yung taong hinangaan ng mga ka-Church. Very, yung tao dito, excited, no?
It would take,
I know a Michelangelo. Ang sarap sabayan.
the glow of
Clouds are
dawn.
long, that paint the skies above,
To
try and paint a portrait of my Grabe mga ka-Church, nakakatuwa yung ganito. Na makasabayan mo yung iniidolo mo mga ka-Church. Nakaka-touch. Nakaka-touch ng puso. So yun na mga ka-Church, no? Hanggang dito lang yung ating reaction video. And huwag rin ka mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, Miss TV. At kayo ba? Anong sasabi niyo sa performance ni Ruel ka rin yung mga ka-Church, no? It's a dream come true. A portrait of my life. There can never be a portrait of my love. Bye-bye. Alright.